Martin Luther King Jr. was one of the most important leaders in American history. He believed that all people, no matter the color of their skin, should be treated equally and fairly. He was born in 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia, during a time when segregation was the law in many parts of the South. This meant that Black people and white people had to use different schools, restaurants, and even drinking fountains. Dr. King saw how unfair this was and wanted to change it. In 1955, a woman named Rosa Parks was arrested in Montgomery, Alabama, for refusing to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger. This led to the Montgomery bus boycott, which lasted over a year. Dr. King was chosen to lead the protest. Black residents of Montgomery stopped riding the buses to demand equal treatment. Because of the boycott, the Supreme Court ruled that segregation on public buses was illegal. This was one of the first big victories for the civil rights movement. Over the next few years, Dr. King continued to lead peaceful protest. He believed in nonviolence, which means fighting for change without using force. In 1963, he helped organize the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom. More than 250,000 people came to Washington, D.C. to ask for civil rights. At this march, Dr. King gave his most famous speech, "I Have a Dream." He spoke about his dream of a world where children of all races could play together and where people would be judged by their character, not the color of their skin. That same year, Dr. King was arrested for protesting unfair treatment in Birmingham, Alabama. While in jail, he wrote the powerful Letter from Birmingham Jail, where he explained why peaceful protest was necessary to fight injustice. In 1964, Dr. King was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his work. That year, the Civil Rights Act was passed, which made segregation in public places illegal. The next year, in 1965, the Voting Rights Act was passed. It helped protect the right of Black Americans to vote without unfair tests or rules. Sadly, Dr. King was killed in 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee, while supporting workers who were being treated unfairly. Even though he died, his message of peace, hope, and justice lives on. Today, we remember Dr. King every January on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a national holiday that honors his life and his dream of equality for all people.